Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Hbar chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Hbar is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to trade within these. We have also seen a breakout out of a chart pattern that we had been trading within, which is this channel, which has now given us a breakout to the upper side. And I hope maybe on the 1-hour chart we can see a retest of the upper side of the channel before we can continue gearing up. And in case we continue seeing higher prices, then my next targets here on the Hbar chart is at around the $0.0566 mark, which is our next key area of resistance. And in case we manage to break above it, then we can watch out for another retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and that is what I'm going to use to give you my long-term and also short-term expectations here on the Hbar chart, where you can see that after seeing our low at around the $0.0356 mark, we started a 5-wave structure to the upper side, where we picked in that 5-wave move in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.0987 mark, and also completed the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 1, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. which is a target area that lies between the $0.0673 mark and the $0.0492 mark, which is the area highlighted here on the charts using this yellow target area. And since we have fully maximized that target area, I now believe that Hbar is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of this wave 3, which we expect after seeing the formation of this wave 2. And in case we continue gearing up and get to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.0566 mark, get a retest of that key area of resistance, continue gearing up, and see a break above significant swing highs here on the charts, then that will be enough confirmation that the low for that second wave is in. And from that point, we can also have a lot of confidence in the formation of that wave 3. And if that is the low for that second wave, I can also give you a minimum target area for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.152 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Hbar to do here on the long-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. So on the short-term scenarios, my next target is at around the $0.0566 mark, which is our next key area of resistance in case we continue gearing up. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 55 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.